Hi guys, this is Jaya from Hobbii and I'm so excited to finally spill the beans on a project we've been working on for months. Drum roll please! The Wonderland Wrap Crochet Along. It's a fun collaboration between the Hobbii family and Jennifer Santos, which is the heart and soul of super cute design. Please join us on this 7-week adventure where we're gonna be making the most beautiful wrap. So the good thing is that the CAL is absolutely free. You simply go to the sign up page through the link in the description box and you submit your email address. And if you sign up really quickly, you even get a chance to win a kit with everything you need in order to participate. You will also want to join our Facebook event for the CAL. This is going to be the place where you ask questions, show your progress, and join the general chatter regarding it. And now, for the good stuff. We're gonna host 2 amazing giveaways, a package with Hobbii yarns, and 2, a gift voucher worth of $150 US. The skill level of the pattern you're gonna be following is intermediate. This means that if you want to take your crochet skills to another level, this is the perfect place to start. If you're still watching this video, I assume you're just as excited as I am for this crochet along. So here's what happens next. Go sign up for the CAL by submitting your email address in the sign up page. Join our Facebook event, the link is in the description box. Then on February 3rd, you're gonna get your first steps sent to your email address. So each following Monday, you're going to receive an email with a chunk of the pattern that you will have 1 week to complete, except for 3rd step. In the 3rd step, things get a little bit tricky, so you're gonna get 2 weeks. All right. So I will see you guys on the Facebook event, and I'm super excited to see what versions you're gonna make and what color choices you're gonna have. This is gonna be so exciting. Yeah, see you there.